available to the shuttle, Grand Central.
This is a Dutch Rill Blvd bound 2 express train. The next stop is Beverly Road.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Please stop. Uptown Local.
This is Lincoln Center.
Transfer is available to the one.
This is Beverly Road.
Transfer is available to the 1 train.
This is a Dutch Rill Blvd bound 2 express train. The next stop is 207th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Is Downtown Express 2 train approaching the station. Please stand away from the platform edge.
This is 207th Street.
Transfer is available to the 2 and 3 trains.
The elevator is located at the rear of the platform.
This is a Dutch Rill Blvd bound 2 express train. The next stop is 215th Street.
Passengers, this train is being held in the station by dispatcher. We will be leaving shortly.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is 215th Street.
Transfer is available to the 1 and 3 trains.
This is a Dutch Rill Blvd bound 2 express train. The next and last stop is Dutch Rill Blvd, Museum of Automated History.
Is uptown. Express.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Minutes away.
Transfer is available to the 2 and 3 trains.
This is Dutch Rill Blvd, Museum of Automated History.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train.
Attention everyone, this is an important message from all of us here at New York City Transit Automated. Please, do not stick your body outside the train at all times, because we don't feel like getting another lawsuit just because you decided to effectively ruin the commute of millions of New Yorkers just for a couple of social media likes. So please, do us all a favor and stay inside the train. Thank you.
This is a Rose Street bound 2 train. The next stop is 215th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.